In this video, I will show you how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. So to do this, what you want to gonna do is here in the bank accounts widget, click on the three dots and then click on link accounts. Now, if you don't have the bank accounts widget right here, you can also search right here for bank accounts. You can also search for bank and then go to bank transactions right there. And then from here, you can also link another account. Now here for me it says PayPal right there, but if it doesn't for you, just search for PayPal, then select which one you use. So there are 8 of them. So for me it is Euro, which is the one that I'm going to pick, but you can also select PayPal, Credit, MasterCard and Crypto, the normal PayPal, India, Australia, Canada, and the UK right there. So if you're not sure and maybe you're from the US, I recommend trying the paypal.com one or the paypal.com at the bottom, since both of them should work, but I'm just going to select PayPal Euro since I am in Europe. So then click continue right here, then click on agree. Now that will take you to the PayPal sign-in. Now from here, you just want to go and sign into your PayPal account. And now you need to confirm that it is you by either getting a text or a call. So just click next and then enter the code that you got right here. And then click submit. And that will say you're all set. And then you need to agree and connect right here. So now you are leaving PayPal and going back to QuickBooks. And now you will see that it is connecting to your PayPal account, which is exactly what we want. So then you can select which account you want to connect. I only have this one, and then choose whether it's a credit card or you can add something new. I'll add a new one, and I'm going to select cash and cash equivalents. And then for the detail type, you can select any of these. In this case, I will select cash and cash equivalents right here as well. And then for the description, I'll just write PayPal and then click save and close. And then for the name, it's already being used, so I'll just add a 2 at the end and then click save and close. So now you can pull transactions from whatever time frame you want. I'll just say this month and click connect. So then again, it will be connecting to your PayPal account and pulling all the transactions into your account. So then it says connecting your bank. This could take a few minutes, so just wait. Now it was really fast, but there's a new regulation that requires you to reauthorize every 180 days, so they will remind you 15 days before your connection expires. So then click done. Now here you will see I have got PayPal. Now if I go to my transactions right here, I can then see my PayPal transactions right here. So that's all there is to it, and I have now successfully connected PayPal to my QuickBooks account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.